Get ready to be amazed by the incredible craft projects I created using the items from my Hobby Lobby haul. You won't believe what you can make with just a few supplies. Welcome to my Hobby Lobby haul today. We're going to dive right into a treasure trove of craft supplies and explore the endless possibilities they have to offer. Get ready to be inspired by some fantastic project ideas. Okay, let's start off with this ribbon and lace haul. Got about 84 spools of lace and ribbons here. You can see my breakdown anywhere from 49 cents all the way up to $4.49. Most of them you can tell were much cheaper, around the 49 to 99 cent range. I got all kinds of fringes and laces, and you can see this one is the elastic ribbon. Several of these in different colors and different styles. And lacy stretch ribbon also. Just a really cool amount of different laces here that I was able to pick up for a really good deal. And down here are some sparkle laces, ribbon that's very, very pretty. You can see the prices on here, just 99 cents for this whole spool. And then some shimmer ribbons here, just very, very pretty. And then I got a stash of cross grain ribbons here also. And here's kind of a satiny type of ribbon and some denim. This one's kind of cool. It's kind of the same on both sides. So you got the little sparkles here on both of those. And here's some like braided rope ribbons and some plain ropes, golden ropes. Oh, this one's cool here. This has got a wire in it. So you kind of bend it and make it whatever shape you need. And then some satin ropes on these two. Really cool. And then some really pretty laces were on clearance also. This is iridescent lace, fancy lace here. Take a look at that price. This was $8.49. Got it for $2.12. This one here, originally $3.99. Got it for 99 cents. And then I got these just this sparkly see-through lace here. 3 different sizes of the same ribbon. Anywhere from 99 cents down to 49 cents. Really good bargains here. And I needed to replenish my stash of ribbons. I was down to just a few. They were many, many years old. And so I really needed to just revamp this and get some more. So pretty. And then I have this kind of cottony fancy laces here. Very pretty. This one here, got it for $1.37, was $5.99. It's hard to beat these bargains. So I really stocked up and stored a bunch. These little fringe laces, 49 cents each. These are cool velveteen type ribbons. They have wires on the side so it can hold the bow shape very, very well. Got a project at the end I got to show you I made with those. Turned out kind of funny and cool. More wired ribbon. Yeah, let me show you the price this was. It was $6.49. Got it for $1.62. This one too was $3.99. Got it for 99 cents. And this is kind of a stiffer ribbon. No wire in it. Was $5.99. Got it for $1.49. And some basic gold ribbon there. 99 cents. Do all kinds of things with this ribbon. Junk journaling. You can sew it on some things. This one was real pretty. $5.99 for $1.49. That's a really, really pretty ribbon there. These are really good for like junk journaling. It's got that kind of antique kind of style to it. Got it in several different colors here. Very, very pretty. These were some interesting ribbons. I didn't realize what I had until I got home. They are iron-on ribbon. Look at the back of that. It's got that iron-on glue there. You just iron it for like 20 seconds. Instructions are on the back or on the side of these spools. Let me turn the light on so you can see the sparkle there. Look at that sparkle on those rhinestones. Very, very pretty. I got some ideas what I'm going to do with this. I'll have to show you in the future. Lots of sparkle. $1.37 was $5.49. Unbelievable prices on these. Check out this mid-size one. Was $10.99. Got it for $2.49. What a bargain is that? Wait till you see this big one. You're not going to believe it. It was $17.99. Got it for $4.49. This was my most expensive buy of my ribbons. Here's some very wide sparkly ribbon. You can cut shapes out of this, do all different kinds of things for cards and You can even sew some projects out of these little change purses and things. Very, very pretty. That's a kind of champagne-y color. This is pretty. I didn't realize what I had until I got home, but these are rosettes. And you can just like cut each individual rose off and use it like that if you need to. I can see this being really pretty and some journaling. $5.99, $1.87 for that big roll. Really good deal. And my last thing out of the ribbon and lace section here was this chain, which I found in that section. It was $9.99, got it for $2.49. I can incorporate this in some different projects and stuff. More to come on those later. Let me take you over and let me show you this rack I got here. I got this on Amazon. It displays the laces and ribbons very, very nicely and easy to get to. Before, they're just thrown in a box inside of a cabinet. It's hard to see. All right, let's move on to some other stuff here. Here's some crochet thread. $2.99 each, got for $1.49. I'm always looking for something to put in my tags. So these different flosses will be great for that. This was a big, huge multicolor pack. 36 skeins of floss in here. Aren't those pretty colors? Nice deep jewel tones. And I'm using some other projects at the end. This is I found this on the clearance section. 32 cents. Is missing one of the charms. But this will be really cool on like artist trading cards or other tags and things like that. I like to put little charms on things. Let's get into the sticker section. This little pack of stickers for 99 cents was $3.99. Get it open here, and these are just spice labels. And you can definitely organize your spices and label your spices. These are kind of clear stickers. You can color these with like any kind of markers, or alcohol markers would be really kind of cool too. But I can see this on tags. All right, let's look at these dimensional stickers. Good deal on this. $3.49 I got it for 87 cents. This will look really cool. Here's another set of kind of plants and stuff. 87 cents for this one, was $4.99. These are pretty stickers. This is kind of like a clearish acetate stickers with some sparkle and glitter on them. Slightly see-through. Very pretty. And then these are kind of vellum stickers. Kind of clearish also. Very pretty. These will work really good in like even resin crafts, along with tags and journaling and things. Got several packages of these. Good price. 62 cents for that. And these are cute little owl stickers. $2.99. I got them for 74 cents. I took one out and looked at it. It's kind of like a hard plastic see-through kind of stained glass look kind of sticker. All right, these are kind of cool. These are our sticker packs. It's kind of in the diary or journal planning section. And this one here it says baby girl on here, but so many different uses for some of these stickers in here. Was $4.99, got it for $1.24. You can incorporate these flowers and these animals in your journaling or crafts or cards. Put them on your envelopes, different things. And this is Farmhouse. I'll be using a sticker out of this in one of the projects at the end. You guys stick around and look at this. It turned out so cute. So many different stickers to pick from. And they're nice and thin and just really lay down on paper really, really nicely. Yeah, stick around there. You got to see this project at the end. It turns out so pretty. And got one of those. And this military one is two of these I got for $1.20 or $1.49, I think it was. And these stickers were really pretty good size. I was surprised how big they were. And so I also used one of these stickers, two of these stickers out of this pack to make something at the end. You got to take a look. Then look how the size of these. Nice colors. It's hard to craft with good masculine colors, and this pack definitely has some of those colors that you're looking for when you're making the man in your life a card, and you're looking for something kind of cool. So this one is definitely. I'm glad I picked up two of these. And the last one here is, it says family sticker pack. And just the odds and ends of different things. Original $6.99. I got $1.49 on this one here. Nice big stickers on this one also. This would be great for journaling and different craft projects. And making cards and things like that. Look at these stickers. Nice size. Beautiful colors. It's got that gold foiling in here mixed out throughout. Very, very pretty. all kinds of things we can do with this. All right, let's move on to the next one here. Yeah, got these die cut stickers. A lot of these. It's really, really cool. $4.99 and I got them for $1.37. There's a lot of stickers in here. I was really surprised. So there's 3 of each one in here. And they're nice, thick, heavy kind of cardboard stickers. And I did use a few of these for a project at the end. So you got to stick around and see what I made out of some of these die cut. Turned out really pretty. So there's like 2 packs that come with each pack. And so many different varieties of lots of flowers, really pretty colors. You can make all kinds of stuff with these. And goodbye. And so I got several more. This is a kind of a bees on a blue theme here. Very pretty. And this one has 12 different designs, 3 of each one. And this one is really cool. This was $3.99 I got it for 99 cents. Kind of a girl die cut pack. It's got 8 different designs, 3 of each one. This will really sparkle up any kind of thing you're doing here. This was a good buy here, 99 cents, originally $4.99. It has 8 designs, 3 of each sticker. And you can make just so many multiple cards and things with this. Lots of possibilities. All right, found this in the clearance section also. And it's kind of a fall project. $1.37, originally $5.49. 12 designs, 3 each, 36 total stickers. And you can really make a lot of things with this. Maybe I'll make a wreath out or something out of this. These are really pretty with the gold foiling. I'm going to think on this and get a project going for these because there's a lot of these leaves. Hey, look how thick those are. Blown away. All right, this was cute. I kind of ran across this by happenstance. A little storage box. Got it for 82 cents, originally $3.29. It's kind of over in the floss section also. So I think it's like a little needle box. And it's got a little small compartment pipe, put your needles in. And a bigger compartment, put your floss in. And last but not least, I love iron-on vinyl. I use this for so many things. Most people think you can only like iron on this to fabric. I iron this onto paper, cardboard, all kinds of stuff. This stuff is really great to use. Look at the price on this. Got some really good prices for all this iron-on vinyl. Some are basic colors, a couple are glitter, and this one is the holographic. I use this in a project in the end also. For something I sell on Etsy. So this definitely is something I was needing and I found. Please subscribe to my channel, especially if you like these kind of recordings. I will make some more in the future. I can't wait to show you some of these projects. Hang on, here they come. All right, here's a card I made. Isn't it cute? This is one of those die cut stickers. This is another one. Use die cut stickers, iridescent ribbon, and some floss. And here's another journal tag, sticker, ribbon, and floss on this one. Turns out so pretty. And here's one sticker, ribbon, the rosettes on the side, didn't use it. This is that holographic vinyl. I use them to make badge holders. All right, check out these artist trading cards I made today using the velveteen ribbon. I got some cards, Elvis on velvet. Now hit that subscribe button, leave me a comment, let me know if you like these kind of videos. Happy crafting, everybody.